between baby and shopkeeper in chocolate shop. Parent, hello, we are here for some chocolate today. Someone is very exciting. Baby, I want choco. Shopkeeper, well, look who is exciting. Welcome. We have all sorts of delicious chocolates here. What is your favorite chocolate? Baby, my favorite chocolate is big choco. Parent, I think we will start small. What do you recommend for little one? Shopkeeper, we have got some creamy chocolates, perfect for babies. Not too strong, just sweet enough. How about these little chocolate beers? Baby, I want beer chocolate. Parent, looks like we have winner. How about two of these? Shopkeeper, of course, and maybe something for you too. Parent, oh, I might have just two. Do you have some dark chocolate truffle? Shopkeeper, absolutely. Here are some rich dark chocolate truffle with a hint of sea salt. Baby, I want to chocolate eat now. Parent, no yet, little one. We will eat it after lunch. Shopkeeper, I think this little one will be counting the minutes until then. Parent, you have no idea. Thank you so much. Shopkeeper, my pleasure. Enjoy the chocolates and see you both again soon. Baby, bye Choco. Shopkeeper, bye little one. Come back soon for more chocolate fun. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. See the next video.